Tired of using manual loops to count the frequency of items in your list? So we are going to dive deep into this week module of the week, which is collections.counter. And unbelievably, this makes counting very easy. This is just so much cool. So first, let me just show you the normal way that the manual way you use actually to count here. And this, you might have something like this if you want to count the frequency of item in a particular list. And here now you'll be having like P is equals to 1, like R is appearing, 2 I is in programming, this is word programming. But now using this module, it changes everything. So once I import counter, okay, forget I'm importing this from collection. So from collections, import counter. And now if you have this right there, instead of going through all the stress, all I just need to do is to come down here and say count is equals to counter. Then I'm giving it the list I have here, which is my text, right? So let's run this and see how we have it. So you can see it's returning this object, counter my list, and it's even arranging, meaning increasing order. So that's how cool using counter is. Now using counter module is. So now I can decide to print out the most common fruits I have, and that I can just achieve that by doing something like this. And I can just decide to say print count dot most common. I can just decide to say I want to print out the top 2 of this count itself. So right here I'm having the top 2 again printed out for me. So that was counter from collections module and module of the week. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with Drew. See you in the next video. Bye.